Welcome back to run vid number 3 of the Traxxas TRX4 negative G build, and kind of a running test of the Duratrax Fossil tires, which I'm becoming more and more impressed with. Do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will subscribe back if you have content on your channel. A great way to get a subscriber to your channel. And leave a comment. Anyways, I'm just trying to work my way up to the top of the falls. I don't have a. I'm kind of choosing lines. Sometimes the lines work, sometimes they fail. And if they fail, I just try to go a different direction within that line. But these rocks are very slick. They're very slippery. As you can tell, water's been running over them for years. They're all rounded, no sharp edges. So these tires are doing pretty darn good in here. They probably aren't the greatest all-around tire. I think their fail point is going to be in stuff like loose dirt, going uphill on loose dirt. A rock covered with moss might give them trouble. Well, they might do pretty good on. I really ran them on rocks with moss on them, but I'm going to. I got a spot picked out, so we'll see how they do there. I think pretty much any rock that has moss and any kind of steep angles is going to give most tires trouble, other than stuff like really knobby tires. Watch the tire, see if it slides off that rock because of the, maybe my back tire's locked up there. It looked like it slid on this rock sideways. Yeah, back tire's locked up. But my main complaint about these tires is just that the tread patterns go straight across the tire, like I already mentioned in the other two videos. And causes when you hit a slick rock and there's any kind of angle on the rock, it can cause the front tires to wash left or right, depending on which way the angle's going. But other than that, they got pretty good forward bite on them. So obviously I'm not going to get up there. I got to work my way towards us, right towards the camera. But there's some huge holes in there that if my tire drops down in them, could cause the vehicle to get stuck. So I kind of got to work my way back and forth to get headed in this direction. Not easy to make a turn and stuff like this without dig. And even with dig, I think the rocks are so slick that it wouldn't matter much. Yeah, little foot helps coming in here. We got high centered. The foot of God. Yeah, there's some deep holes down off them rocks. Oh, shot wasn't long. I should have got a good clear shot of that stump. How big it is. It's massive. Get some good tire flex there. Another spot where I kind of got to get pointed to the left a little bit, so I got to go forward and kind of back. Yeah, I got to kind of pivot back and forth a few times to get myself going to the left. Thought I lost her there for a second. She dropped down into a hole there. Watch her just yoink herself right out of there. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with these tires. Look at them just sitting there spinning, and then all of a sudden they just grab traction. I just think that's cool as hell. Pink. Yoinked me up and out. Well, the plan was to try to follow a path to the top of the waterfall from where I was going down there, but kind of came to a dead end there, and so I had to hook this way. Basically, I'm following whatever route it gives me. So I'm going to shoot out up here, and then we'll come back in from the side here. I think I need to get into the programmer and reduce the power to my reverse there. I think I got it set at 50% right now. I should just drop it down to 25. I hate it when I go to bump the throttle and the thing just rockets in reverse. Yeah, the tires are performing really well in this these wet, slimy rocks. I would say if you like tires, I would say they're a must-have. And the price is right. They're not that expensive. Especially if you do a lot of creek crawling. Like I said, they probably won't do real good on loose dirt. They aren't bad, but they just aren't super good. There's better tires for that. Look at that 90mm shock reaching for the bottom. And pay attention to these axles are GRC axles, and you can buy the knuckles and hubs separately. They're high clearance knuckles. So pay attention to how often, if you're watching any videos of either this TRX4 or my other TRX4 with the purple body and Northwest Scalar Designs, they both have these GRC knuckles on them. And so if you're watching my videos, just pay attention to how often they clearance the tips of rocks versus a stock knuckle, TRX4 knuckle, would definitely be grabbing and snagging. Trying to work my front tire up onto that rock to the left. My bumper hits it a few times, so I have to come in at an odd angle and then turn into it. got it. Yeah, the tires are working. I screwed up and I didn't have to hit the throttle like that right there, so that's on me. It was yoinking itself up and out of there. I just blipped the throttle a little bit too hard. But hey, up is up. Yeah, that negative G kit's a good kit. If you're looking for an LCG crawler, they offer it in the TRX4 here. They offer it for the SCX10. They offer one for an axial Capra, and I think they have another one available for I forget what it's called. It's for getting scale points and all that stuff. Class 2, I believe. There's this like 2-mile dirt road that follows the lake all the way up to this national forest, and there's just spots all along like this right here that you can pull over and go rock crawling. And it's about an hour's drive. If it was a straight shot, it'd only be about 20 minutes, but you know, you have to get up into the mountains there, and it's a windy road getting up in there, and then you get on the dirt road, so you know it gets a little slow going that way. But straight shot, it wouldn't take that long to get there. But I'm pretty fortunate to have this area in my, you know, basically in my backyard. A lot of people have real cool areas to crawl in their backyard. Anyways, about the end of the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. RC for life, and peace out.